Three-truck collision on the Spur Hill Main Road left the road impassable for hours. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A truck driver has been hospitalized after he was pinned between two trucks for 2 hours on Thursday morning. Firefighters and police extricated the man from the truck he was driving following a three-vehicle crash on the Spur Hill Main Road in Manchester. The crash involved two box truck and a fuel truck. The collision happened shortly before 9 a.m. and left the major roadway impassable for hours. Preliminary reports are that one of the box truck was traveling downhill when the driver lost control and crashed into the back of the second box truck. The impact sent the second unit into the back of the fuel truck. An ambulance arrived on the scene and transported the injured man to the Mandeville Regional Hospital. The police have since advised motorists that the Spur Hill Main Road in Manchester is impassable. Motorists traveling from St. Elizabeth to Manchester are being asked to turn right at Gutters to Plowden, travel Cross Keys and then Newport. Persons traveling from Mandeville to St. Elizabeth are being urged to use the road from Newport to Cross Keys, traveling to Plowden, then Gutters, then St. Elizabeth.
Oh God, you feel it, bro.
Up to the publication of this report, the driver that was pinned in the truck condition remains unknown. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.